Hello, testing, one, two, three, testing. Testing, one, two, three. Hey everybody, just testing my screen for YouTube. If you can hear me, type something in the chat box. Hello, hello, hello. Hey everybody, this is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. Just trying to test run here of going live on YouTube. Are you here? How do you hear? Are you okay? All right, cool. All right, so you can hear me. All right, buddy. So what you're looking at is a screen share from my room. Basically, we show our charts. We show the trade exchange news box. We also show trade ideas. Thank you there, Milton. Appreciate the test in the chat. Thank you so much. So yeah, just practicing with YouTube live stream. Haven't done it in a while. They changed a few things, so just kind of trying it now. Hey everybody, thanks for joining the screen share. If you're out there, just type something in the box. I see there's a few people watching. Kind of an impromptu thing I'm doing here, just testing the waters with YouTube Live. All right, and if you guys can type something in the chat box, that's the part I'm trying to figure out right now. So I got the screen share working, the encoding all working, sound is up and working. So I just need to get this chat box working a little bit better, the YouTube chat box. So that's what I'm kind of testing out right now. So if anybody could out there watching at the moment, if you could type something in the chat, had one first person help me out. I'm just trying to check some other things out with the chat room for YouTube. So if you can hear me, let me know. You're looking at my screen share of trade ideas. You're looking at a news box, etc. You guys are shy or something? See if I can move this around. Okay. I made that a little bit better. Hello? Can you hear me? I know I can. I think I'm being heard. So if you guys can type, just say hi or something if you're watching. Type something in the room. Ah, thanks, Karen. All right, appreciate that. Like I said, I'm just trying a few things out here today. Messing around. They changed the going live on YouTube, so just setting it up. Oop, that won't work. Ooh, that got stuck. All right, hold on. Whoops. All right, so I think I'm off now. Okay. Ah, what happened here? Let's see, let's get rid of that. All right, there we go. Let's see, I think we're still up and running here, right? Everybody still see the screen share? I think I still see it. I kind of messed something up. All right, I won't do that again. Let's see, let's get rid of this. All right, so basically what you're looking at is the news box that we show. You have a news box from Trade Exchange. In the corner there, the white box. Then you have my trade ideas scans that we look at throughout the day. You see a charts of the SPY, AWX. That's what we traded today. We did two trades on AWX today off a 2-minute chart. So I'll bring that over. There's the 2-minute chart. We traded AWX a couple of times today, coming out over this 485 spot for a nice gainer, and then we traded it again, and it pushed up even higher over 650. So nice trades in AWX today. Hi, thanks for uploading daily vids. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Cool. I got the chat box working now, so that's good to see. All right, so chat box is working well. And thanks for typing that in there. Appreciate it. So my name is Mike. I'm from Zozo Stock Watch. I run a trading service. We do day trading and swing trading in my service. Uh, each day. I know a lot of people work, and so we have a swing trading service, which is basically gives you access to the private feed. So we offer that, and we also do day trading. Today we just did a couple of trades in AWX. It's Friday, didn't want to push it, and we have the markets kind of gapping down this morning, but AWX had good strength after their earnings last night, and so that gave a really nice trade. Some other stocks that are were holding up well. Take a look at them. Square having a very nice day today. Square SFIX. Also having a good day today, holding up strong. A YEXT also holding up strong today, making a nice move up. There's a couple of other ones that are holding up well today. Let me see if that CTRL holding up very nicely today. A little bit of a pullback right now on it, but overall, here's the daily chart, by the way, holding up very well. They got one of the folks from Amazon coming over to work in their company, so that stock showing good strength. I'm sure everybody's watching what's going on with Tesla. We're waiting, the SEC is investigating Tesla right now for the tweets by Elon Musk when he put out that he wanted to send the company private for $420 per share. So now the SEC is basically asking him to prove that, right? You tweeted it, now prove it. So we're kind of waiting to see what's going to happen with Tesla stock. But overall, with all the turmoil and everything and the tweets from Elon Musk, we are still holding right around the 5 EMA here on the daily chart, all right, which is this yellow line. I don't know if you can make it out on the video here, but we are holding above the 5 EMA or right around. So after the earnings gap up and the big pop in Tesla, really not much of a pullback. It's kind of in a pause mode right now, waiting to see if Elon Musk and what the board wants to do. Some other stocks that were getting some strength this week was 3D Systems off of earnings. 3D Systems has been very strong. And then in sympathy, SSYS, I believe they also had earnings this week. That stock is moving up, but 3D was the first one to move up. Let's see. As far as other strength stocks today, this TDOC moving up very nicely today. TDOC having a good day, pushing higher here. Very strong daily chart here, you see. It's been in a nice trend up, holding above the 50 SMA. Actually pulled back to the 50 SMA at $60, and now moving up strongly again on that name. Baba, I saw Baba moving up today. Um, so Baba trying to reverse, still in the doghouse here on the daily chart below all the fast moving averages, but a nice move up from about 175, 176, kind of a double bottom here in the pre-market on Baba, and they moved it up to about 180. All right, SPY still showing some weakness today in the SPY. We're still below the VWAP on the SPY, this 5-minute mark chart here. I'll make it a little clearer for you. There you go. There's kind of your range on the SPY. We keep testing this pre-market support line here, the green line you see there, and then below that we have the light blue line, which is the 10 SMA off of the daily chart. All right, so we're kind of in a very tight range again on the SPY. Speaking of which, let's check out the volume on the SPY today. So far, 360 million shares traded so far today on the SPY as we're in August, and slower trading, right? Definitely slower trading. Was there any shorts available for A? I didn't try to short AWX. I just went with it to the long side. There might have been. I really didn't even check. So I just went long on AWX. Like I said, we got in it here for a nice pop, and then over 555 for a nice pop. But I didn't do this part. I didn't short it at all. I didn't mess around with it. I was happy to take my gains. Didn't want to mess around with trying to short AWX. But I guess if you did catch the short below that 650 level or so, you got rewarded. So not sure if there were shorts available. So what did you guys trade today? Is everybody in here a day trader? Am I doing live every day? No, because I have my clientele in my room that I have to take care of. So I kind of keep all that private. But I think what I'm going to start doing is I'll come out, maybe do some live YouTube webinars and things like that on selected nights. Not sure. Maybe do kind of like build my watch list video live sometimes. I don't think I'll be doing it every day though. So I run a chat room service, and so I'm obligated to the members of the room. They have to come first, but but I will try to do some more live events on YouTube in the future. All right. I'm a very conservative day trader. I don't take high risk. I just try to make a living from day trading each day, and I also do swing trading to build up my capital. I've been trading for, I guess it's going on, well, if you count swing trading too, it's been about 20 years with swing trading. And then as far as day trading, I've been doing it for about 15 years for day trading and been living off of day trading for about 10 years. So, yeah, I like to day trade, but I also like to swing trade. Some stocks are just not day tradable, I guess, right? But they're more swing trade stocks, and so we do both. Like we just had a swing trade in Netflix. We bought it at 341 on Netflix. We did a swing trade on this one, and we got $17 on this swing trade. The day we were in it before this big move up day here, and so we got close to $17 out of Netflix for a swing trade. Let me see, what day did we do that? Let's see, Netflix. We did it on the 3rd of August. We got in at 440 dollars 40 cents. The stock went up to $357, so $17 a share. And some folks are still holding that in the service. That swing trade there. Some other stocks that we did a swing trade. Grubhub. We did a swing trade on for a couple of dollars. We have Bank America. We've been swing trading since July 16th. All right, we're in that at $29.30. Now we've taken profits off on Bank America. It went up to 31.80. We sold some up there, and some folks and I am still holding some on Bank America, trying to hold that one a little bit more long term. So that's kind of our swing trades for the start of August here. So we're off to a good start with our swing trades. And then for our day trades, basically this week we day traded Blink a few times, BLNK. IQ gave a nice day trade. ABIL gave nice day trade. Cores, HEAR, IQ a couple of times this week. So overall, a very good week. Things are slow, very slow in the afternoons. But if you just do morning trading, you're making out pretty well. You just can't give it back uh, in the afternoon session when it gets very quiet out. So. And like I said, we did a couple of trades in this AWX, and we're done trading for the day, so we're not trading anymore today. It's Friday, market is a little bit wishy-washy, so we're being very conservative. hold on to your gains. You don't want to give back your gains. This way we go into the weekend with good spirits. Part of trading, a lot of it is the emotional aspect of it also. And a lot of times, traders, what they'll do, they trade very well in the morning, and then in the afternoon, they're giving away all their gains. So we tell traders, hold on to those gains and don't trade in the afternoons. All right, everybody. So I'm going to get off now. All right, just was testing the live stream and making sure everything works. So the audio is working. We seems to have the chat. I have the chat room working pretty well. So that's good, and it's very responsive. The chat room. I thought there would be delay, but the chat room seems pretty speedy. All right, for YouTube and the screen shares. I said folks telling me that it's very clear, so that's good. And you can hear me really well, so that's good too. So all systems go. So maybe next week I'll do a live how I build my watch list for each day and things that I look for on swing trades, stuff like that. Okay, so I'll start trying to get on YouTube live more often in the future, right? Going into September and whatnot. All right, so hope to see you back here in the future. I guess subscribe to my site and hit that alerts bell. This way you can be notified when I do go live. All right, if you hit that notification bell, and then if your email's hooked up with YouTube, it'll send you an alert each time I go live. So now, like I said, I'm not going to do it live every day, but probably maybe like once or twice a week. I'll try to do a live segment. We'll see how it plays out. All right, everybody. So have a great weekend, everybody that's watching, and we'll see you back at it maybe next week. And also, don't forget, I do a video on Sundays. Videos are done each and every night for stocks to watch list. All right, but maybe we'll be doing those live every once in a while. All right, everybody. Thanks for coming. Thanks, Marco. All right. Thanks very much. I just got to get used to this chat room. I wish I could make it bigger so I can see it better. I'll work on that. But everybody have a great weekend, okay? Don't overtrade today on Friday and talk to you during the week. Bye now.